Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We are doing a countdown to release day. We have 5 more days till release day, February 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. This is our first reveal. We have a very cute stamp set called Meet Me in Wonderland. And as you can see what the theme's gonna be, we'll have 2 different themes in this box of the month. So meet me here 1 p.m. Central Time every day until release day. Release day, we're going to have a great hop with lots of inspiration from the design team. We'll have a little giveaway and provide you with lots of ideas on how to use the contents in your box. So isn't this stamp super cute? So we've got characters from the Alice in Wonderland movie and sentiments that say meet me in Wonderland. Have a very merry unbirthday. It's always tea time, and sorry I'm late. So great stamp set. You can make all different kinds of cards for different occasions. And guess what, guys? I'm gonna start providing the Not Too Shabby Snips coordinating dies for the stamps in your box. It will be a separate purchase, so you'll have to go to the shop and pick up the die if you want the die. Right now I have limited quantities because I'm not sure how many dies to purchase yet. So I started off slow, so I will see and increase the quantity each month depending on how much of a demand for the dies there is. So if you run on over 9 a.m. Central Time on the 1st, grab that die if you want it, because they'll probably go fast since there's not a very large quantity. Maybe I'll put the die, if it does sell out too quickly, maybe I will put it for pre-order, so you could pre-order it, and then it'll take maybe like 3 weeks to come into stock. So if you don't mind waiting for that, you can definitely pre-order. So I'm going to stamp out my sentiment. Have a very merry, and then I'm going to stamp right under that the word unbirthday. So it's like a quote from the movie. So I am going to color up these images for you, play some music, and I will do a card with these images. I think I will do that on our 3rd day of sneak peeks. Tomorrow I will show you in the same theme our paper and coordinating ephemera. So you're not going to want to miss the fun. So I've already colored the Alice image, and I'm going to do the Mad Hatter right now. And since I don't really know what colors to do, I did a quick Google search, and I think I'll do this one here with the drab green and kind of like a mustardy yellow jacket, a blue tie, and the white hair. You can definitely do different options. I see there's like the Johnny Depp Mad Hatter, which he has like red hair and different colored outfits. So there's lots of color options. I've seen the Mad Hatter with the brown hat. But I'm gonna do the green, kind of like this guy's costume here, with the blue and this like mustardy orange or mustardy yellow color for his jacket. If you're new to our channel and new to our shop, we do a box of the month every month on the 1st. It ranges from like 3 to 2 stamps to full-size 6x6 paper pads, 2 packages of coordinating ephemera. When we do have 2 stamps, we swap it out for a stencil and like a shaker mix. So it's a great deal. You do get the box at a discounted price. It's like a bundled price. And if you sign up for the club, you get another 5% off. And then that will reserve your box each month. You'll get it shipped automatically. And it's a nice, fun surprise to get something in the mail. Or if you don't like surprises, you can always watch our sneak peeks. They happen at the end of the month, 5 days before release day. I do a project with each item in the box, and it is super, super fun. Also on the 1st, our design team provides an inspiration hop, so you get lots of ideas. And then throughout the month, our design team and I provide more projects, more cards, so you get more ideas. So you're never going to run out of ideas on what to do with the contents in the box. So I hope you guys enjoy that. We have even more fun stuff coming out on the 1st. We have our stamp of the month, our stamp and die of the month, and our paper pad club of the month. If you love paper, you're going to love the Paper Pad Club. There are images inside the paper pads that you can cut and use as ephemera on your cards. It is awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy the subscriptions. You can always purchase them as a one-time purchase, but remember, when you join the club, you get a discount. And on the Stamp and Die of the Month, the Paper Pad Club, and the Stamp of the Month Club, you get 18% off, which is an amazing deal. Okay, for the white rabbit, so I'm gonna do him in a red jacket, that yellow color for the inside there, and I'll probably do a little like yellow watch. So I'm Googling Queen of Hearts, and I think one side of her is like red, the other side is black, and then we've got some yellow and black in the middle here, and a yellow crown. So I think I'm gonna color her just like that. I'm doing a pop-up giveaway, so if you leave a comment on this video and every video for the sneak peek countdown, which will be 5 videos, I'm going to pull a winner from those people that left a comment on each video and send them a little goodie pack in the mail. So just comment down below. It doesn't matter what you say. I will put you into a drawing. I googled the Cheshire Cat, and I'm going to color him in these purple colors. I grabbed 2 shades of purple. I'm going to do the darker purple for the top of his head. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave the video a big thumbs up. That really helps the video get out to more people. So I'm going to finish up these images with some white Jelly Roll pen. This really helps the images to pop. I really like doing this technique. It's fun, simple, and it really does give a big impact to your colored images. So I hope you guys enjoyed the sneak peek for today. Don't forget to meet me back tomorrow, 1 p.m. Central Time, for another peek. I thank you guys for stopping by and spending some time with me today, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!